Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, Mr. Stewart. He's so silly. He's helping me make videos today. Okay, we're going to use our number line to help us find the answer to the doubles. So put your pencil on 5 and hop 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did you land on? 10. Very good. Okay, let's try the next one. We have 8 plus 8. Pencils on 8. Hop 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's your answer? 16. Now we're going to do 10 plus 10. Pencils on 10. Hop 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the answer? It's 20. Our next problem is 6 plus 6. So put your pencil on 6 and hop 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what did we land on? 12. Next we have 7 plus 7. Pencils on 7. Hop 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 14. The next problem is 2 plus 2. So we put our pencil on 2. Hop 2 spaces. And what did we land on? 4. Our next one is 9 plus 9. Pencils on 9. Hop 9 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what's the answer? 18. Next is 3 plus 3. Pencils on 3. Hop 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 6. The next one is 2 plus 2. So 2, hop 2 spaces. Oh, no, sorry. 1 plus 1. 1, hop 1 spot is 2. And our last one is 4 plus 4. We have 4. And we're going to hop 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is 8. All right, go ahead and turn it over onto the back. So I'm going to do the top part with you, and then you're going to do the bottom part on your own. So we circle the bigger number and then count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. And our next one, we're going to circle which number? The 2 or the 3? Circle 3, count on 4, 5. Next we circle 4, 5, 6, 7. Three plus 0 is just 3 because anything plus 0 stays the same. And we're going to do the same problem here as 3. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5. We've done that one. 3 plus 7, we circle 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 plus 3 is what? That's one of our doubles. Is 6. And here we see 3 plus 3 again. Mr. Stewart, stop laughing. he is so naughty, boys and girls, isn't he? Oh my goodness. Stop. We're teaching the children. Circle 6. Count on 3, 7, 8, 9. Maybe he needs to do our math for us. No? Okay. 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, boys and girls, I want you to do the bottom half on your own and turn it in when you're finished.